Hello, welcome to the speed shop. A very, very cluttered speed shop. There is a reason for that, which I'll go through in a minute. I'm just going to do a quick recap on what's going to be happening next. I've got another Laverda in, but that's just for a repair. Somebody's got problems with the clutch, so I'm investigating that. We'll run through that in a minute. And in just a second, I'll take you off of the tripod and we'll do a walk around, and I can explain firstly why the speed shop's in such a big mess, and secondly what's going to happen next. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, well, sorry you're going to be handheld now, so it might get a bit shaky. So this is all, as you can see, it's just a mess in here, and the reason for that is because I had to clear out the garage. A couple of the bikes are back in it now, but the reason I had to clear out the garage is because of this. You see my lovely handrails has got this rope on it, and if we walk down and we follow this rope is attached to my old digger, which somebody keeps saying they wanted to buy. Somebody's paid for it, but they haven't actually managed to get it out yet. So this is why this is looking a bit sparse. So 754 go-to bike. This is my new Tourer that I bought. I'm gonna start doing some longer trips. I've put a camera system on it. I've put a smart GPS system on it and all that. So we'll talk about that later. This is the next one, which has clutch problems. Now we've put a new clutch in, new clutch plates are in there, but it's still slipping. So now we're thinking that maybe it's hydraulic. So I've got a new master cylinder coming from my good friends at 3C Moto in Italy. But the next main job I'm going to be doing is this, the Bimota YB11. It's time this got done, finally. The monocoque's off over there, ready for me to start playing with it. This needs clutch problems again. This has got, the clutch works fine, although you can't get it out of gear once it's in, which tells me that there's something wrong with the hydraulics again. So I've got master cylinders, slave cylinder kits and all that in there. I've got new clutch plates in there, which I'm going to put in anyway. It doesn't start. It did start fine, and it doesn't start now. Suspicions from me is Iridium spark plugs. I changed all the spark plugs for Iridium spark plugs last year, and I've had nothing but trouble with every bike I've put Iridium spark plugs in. The problem with this bike is you have to basically strip everything off to get to the spark plugs. The spark plugs are a nice jaunty angle under there, and so you have to take the radiator off, you have to take everything off. So that's about a day's work just to change the plugs, but we'll be getting into that later. This is in here because I can't leave it out there because it's got to go through, and this is in here waiting its turn again, the GT550 that I got going. This is going to be the one that's done after the Bimota. Then both of these boys will be up for sale, because I need to get rid of everything that I can, all the clutter, to give myself a chance to do some more projects. So that's the state of play at the moment. I will be back very, very soon, and we'll start playing with this Bimota as soon as these guys come back and get this bloody digger through, so that I can have my garage back. So with that, I will leave you. Adieu, 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 and I shall see you all soon. Bye for now.